Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to scan a WhatsApp web QR code on your Android phone, the process is simple, but you need to follow a few steps to get it working. Let's go through exactly what you need to do. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android phone. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu to open additional options. From there, select Link Devices and tap Link a Device. This will open the QR scanner, which is needed to connect your WhatsApp account to another device. If this is your first time using this feature, WhatsApp may ask for camera access. Make sure to grant permission so the scanner can work properly. Next, on a computer, iPad, or another device, open a web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. A QR code will appear on the screen. This is what your Android phone needs to scan to log into WhatsApp Web. Now, using your Android phone, align the camera with the QR code on the screen. Hold it steady until the code is scanned successfully. Once the scan is complete, WhatsApp Web will log in automatically and begin syncing messages from your phone. You'll now be able to use WhatsApp directly from your browser while keeping your phone connected in the background. That's it. Now you know how to scan a WhatsApp web QR code using your Android phone. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.